Hi, this is David and Jackie with Triumph Learning. We want to share with you an exciting new digital program called Readiness for the Common Core for the company that you know and trust. This program is in response to the demands that we have heard from our customers to get a full-bodied digital piece that offers massive amounts of instruction, practice, assessments, reporting, and test building for your Common Core needs at a touch of your fingers. Let's go in and take a look. I'm going to start with what I like to call the content library. On the left, you'll see the strands or domains in the dark yellow. Underneath each one of those are the individual skills that are addressed for that strand or domain. Each one is clearly defined for your teacher. Across the grid, you'll see the white boxes. Each one of these boxes is a lesson plan out of that particular book that we're going to talk about in a minute. Addressing that particular skill. The ones with bands around them means there's multiple lessons inside of that one particular book. On the far right, you see My Files. This gives the opportunity for a teacher to upload her individual lesson plans that she has created in the past and utilize them immediately at a touch of a finger.
Okay, let's take a look at the library. This program is available for grades 3 through 8 in both math and ELA. This grid that we're looking at is the 4th grade ELA library. It contains 7 of our most popular books with an 8th book which is available as a teacher resource. We'll start with the Common Core crosswalks. Crosswalk Coach provides extensive coverage of the Common Core state standards. Each lesson introduces key skills with thorough instructions, stepped out examples, and writing exercises. Lessons emphasize higher order thinking skills and feature writing across the curriculum. Practice promotes conceptual understanding. The Buckle Down books, it's a buckle down to the Common Core. It includes longer lessons to teach related skills through targeted instruction and offers extensive practice with a variety of question types. The practice encourages conceptual understanding rather than recall. Lessons emphasize writing across the curriculum and higher order thinking skills. The Common Core clinics provide early implementation strategies for the Common Core state standards. The series features the gradual release model and targets the essential skills behind each standard with instruction in content, guided practice, and independent practice. The workout book provides student-directed review and practice in essential skills. Guided practice reinforces skills while independent practice ensures skill mastery. Best practices in reading builds core comprehension skills and promotes critical thinking through modeled instruction and open-ended questions. This book features paired high-level fiction and non-fiction passages in every lesson. Strategies are introduced with ample opportunities to apply them. The Ladders to Success is a high-interest workbook designed to help struggling students master 10 fundamental, grade-appropriate reading skills. Each lesson features high-interest non-fiction. Ladders 2 is designed for struggling students and provides leveled lessons on 10 key fundamental skills using a 3-level approach. Important reading strategies are introduced with ample opportunities to apply them.
As you can see, we have a treasure of content available for your teachers and your students. Let's take a look at one of the skills, RL 4.2. Here's a definition. Across that grid, as you see, there are 6 books that contain content that addresses this standard, with several books containing more than one lesson. Here is the Crosswalk Coach. These lessons can be put on whiteboards, projectors, and similar technology to be used by a teacher for in-class instruction. They also may be assigned digitally to a student to have access anywhere the internet is available. They also can be printed, giving students without technology equal access to the Readiness program. With this lesson, we start with getting the idea, a walk through the explanation of the skill, then to thinking it through, followed by coached examples. Along with each lesson comes a great practice session for your students.
Okay, now let's go to the practice portion of the lesson. This also can be used on a whiteboard, printed out for your students, assigned to the whole class or a subgroup of your class as either homework or a quick assessment of your students' understanding. These practice sessions come directly from the books and contain open-ended response, short answer, and multiple choice questions. All multiple choice questions are graded automatically for the teacher. Short answer and extended response questions are installed into a preview page for the teachers to grade, and once graded, they flow into the assessment reporting system.
At the bottom of the content library page, we find assessments. There are benchmark assessments for every strand or domain, with 2 summative available for pre and post testing. Let's open up one of these assessments. Each assessment will have multiple choice as well as extended response questions. Responding to the demand from our customers, we have also added a test builder to this product. This allows teachers to create their own benchmark testing, with each standard having 10 questions for them to choose from. At the top, you will find a mailbox icon. This allows messaging between the teacher and the student or parent within a closed system. The assignment icon allows the teacher to quickly see the assignments that need to be graded. The reporting icon gives the teacher access to the multiple reports that are available. There is also a search icon, which gives the teacher a quick, easy way by entering a keyword to find the lessons that match her needs.
Okay, this has been just a quick overview of Triumph Learning's Readiness. We would love to be able to show it to you in greater depth. I am sure by now that you are thinking that the cost of this program is financially out of reach for your school. And quite frankly, if you were to buy the books in Readiness alone, it probably would be. You will be amazed at just how affordable it is to get this into the hands of your teachers and students. Call your Triumph Learning representative at 800-338-6519. Thanks.